Good morning, guys. Nick Mac here, and we are headed off for another adventure. Today, we are headed up to Mattawa. We got the Maverick Sport XMR, and I got Big Mike Arctic Cat 500. So yeah, we had a little hiccup in the plans last night. One of my buddies couldn't make it, so he was supposed to tow the trailer up, so I had to take someone else's machine so they could tow the trailer up because we didn't have enough trucks to tow the trailer up. We need a trailer up there because it's gonna be cold. It's October right now, so hopefully everything works out. Let's get on the road and go have some fun. All right, we're at our first stop here. I'm before Chris. Mr. Tyson's got some coffee for us. Let's go see how Mr. Tyson's doing this morning. Oh, he's not here. Jesus Christ, it's 9 o'clock and you haven't even got your shit out of here yet. Look, Jesus Christ.
Coffee's over here, bud.
Oh, why is mine separate from the other one?
Well, because I was going to run it out to you. And so you're doing a U-turn.
Oh, you're such a nice guy. That Thai guys, you're such a nice guy.
Can't be fucking good looking. You got to be a nice guy at least.
You can't find you handsome, they can sure find you a nice guy. We're waiting for Chris. I gotta fix something here because I don't want to be dealing with it all the way up north. I pulled out of my driveway out of the survey, and the guy's machine I'm towing has this pocket here. There's ownership and stuff. He's got his ownership and stuff in there. I'm wondering if I should just take it out. I wonder if we could just bungee cord it down. All right, we got her fixed up. Just put a bungee from here across it. Doesn't seem like it'll come up now. Hopefully we're good to go. Oh, Chris is here. Woo-wee. Oh yeah. I'm gonna help these guys get loaded so we can get the hell out of here.
God, man! Tyson needed his fan. We don't have electricity.
No electricity. He's gonna sit there and plug it into a potato. Supposedly potatoes have electricity.
Oh,
Potato. Oh, what is that? Look at that Ford. I wonder where Ty works.
Probably stole it.
Stole it off one of his team leaders that were sitting there sleeping on the line.
Yeah. You'll never see it.
Alright, we're out of here. Let's go!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life
just a little bit of an update. We're currently on Highway 11. We just finished having lunch at the Schnitzelhaus. If you guys haven't checked out the Schnitzelhaus, I suggested there's one going north and there is one going southbound on Highway 11. And when we were eating, the person who's pulling up our trailer passed us, so we're just trying to leg it and catch up to him and have a convoy on the rest of the way to Mattawa. So yeah, we're almost there.
God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Yeah, that's the fucking Tundra. Tundra towing the trailer. So this is the guy's place we're going to. Spend in Big Mike. I don't know if they know it's me. Big Mike should know.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you
So this is downtown Mattawa. Big town of Mattawa. Statues. Then we're going over the Mattawa River, which that is Quebec on the other side. Quebec over there, huh? That's where Quebec is. Beautiful. Look at that train bridge going over to Quebec. Sweet. All right, we're almost at the cottage. Get back to you when we're all unpacked and situated.
shit, my old Canam, I was throwing low.
Oh yeah. Again, it locks the diff. Should I be in high? I feel like I should be in high. Technical, eh?
Oh yeah. Tear it up, tear it up.
Oh fuck.
Hey,
That's fucking steep.
Watch it.
Where's Chris?
Coming down here, just fucking rev on her, wide open. Not here, but when you go down there.
Yeah. Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Right here.
Yeah, right now.
That took a couple years off the belt right there.
Let's take a fucking deep break here.
Yeah, this thing does bounce around a lot, eh?
Oh, it's not bad.